Hello everyone. So I am starting with a series called as Trading Made Simple. In this particular series, I will, teach you in the easiest way how to trade. Okay, I can't make you a trader on YouTube. I'll be very honest. For that, I have to give you personal mentoring. But here on YouTube, I'll teach you certain things which you might not be knowing. Okay, this will make that your trading easier. Okay, so say suppose you are on break even, then this can make you profitable. Okay, so be with me in this particular video. What I'll be teaching you today is how to draw support and resistance for intraday trading. Now, as I know, most of the people have shifted to intraday and they have become intraday traders. So for them, this video is okay. I'll teach you how to draw support and resistance in a simplest way. All you got to do is to draw support and resistance for intraday. You got to come on 1 day time frame. Okay, so these candles which you can see are basically of 1 day time frame. So all you got to do is basically you have to find candles with heavy volumes. When I say candle with heavy volumes, what I mean is the volume of that particular candle should be more than the previous one. Okay, so here if you see the volume of this particular candle is more than the previous one. Okay, so the low the this candle's high will become our resistance, and this candle's low will become our support. Okay, likewise, again we have this candle with heavy volumes. The volume is more than the previous one, so this becomes our support and the upper part becomes our resistance. Again, if you see, this candle's volume is more than this candle, so again this becomes a support and the upper wick becomes a resistance. Okay, again this candle's volume is more than this one, so again a support. Okay, now this becomes your support and resistance for intraday trading. Based on this support and resistance, you can plan your trades. If you just go on 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes, whatever, I prefer 15 minutes time frame when I trade. So just look at this. Just look at this. How well it has, uh, reacted to the particular supports and resistance zones. We had marked the support zone here. Okay, on next trading day, that was on 20th. See how well it is reacted. It came down, but again you know it traded below the support the whole day. The price was trading below the support, so if you had shorted here at 398, you could get around 3 rupees something, and but your stop loss was protected for the whole day. Okay, next day what has happened, market has opened up and it stayed above that, say on from support it went, but here also it was a support means people are willing to buy on that particular price, but here people are not willing to buy at 402 rupees, so price is not sustaining there, but price is sustaining at these levels. Again support was drawn, so next trading day you see price opened above that and went. You can see how well the price reacted to this. After drawing this support and resistance, you can use your own trading technique based on this, and you can improve this particular setup. But it works wonders, it does wonders for intraday. Just have to be uh, focused and try to understand what the market is doing in first 10 minutes. If you understand that in first 10 to 15 minutes, then this particular technique of drawing support and resistance will do wonders for you. Okay, first 15 minutes is very very important to understand the trend of the market. Okay, so this see just how well it is taking support. Once the support was broken, price came down to the previous support. Then from there again, see today what market has done. Market came down a bit, then taken the support and went up. For intraday to here, it has moved, it has moved 0.5%, that is from 392 to 390 for 1 rupees something. But for intraday, that is 0.5 also move you capture, and it is like too good, isn't it? Somewhere 2 rupees move you could have captured in this particular stock. If you just go on another stock, that is Indus Tower, you will be able to see the same things. Again, what you have to do is you have to find heavy volume candles. Say suppose you wanted to trade today, just see the previous ones near that particular zone. So here I can find one support heavy candle. So support, resistance. Again, this particular candle has more volume than the previous one. So support. Okay. And resistance. Okay. Again, if you see this particular candle has higher volume, so support and resistance. Okay. So if we had to trade today, that is on 4th, just see what has happened on 4th. This is 4th June. So if you see, price was not falling from the support level, so people were not selling at 380. So when people are not selling at 380 means people are waiting the price to go up to sell. Okay, they are not ready to sell at that particular price, they want the price to move up. So once that price was broken, see, it went to the other support or the other buying zone. So from 380 it moved to 384, so almost you could have captured 0.87%, 3 rupees something, 3 rupees with a stop loss of 1 rupees or 1.5 rupees, so 1 is to 2 ratio. So this is how you can draw support and resistance. So this was my first video in the series Trading Made Simple. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and to my channel and like this video. I'll get more such interesting simple videos for you. And if you are willing to get mentored by me, then please drop in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much. See you.